Hi guys, please enjoy the next video for US Classic Muscle Cars.
Hello, my name is Mark Riddick. I got the 70 Lemans Sport that I bought new back in 1970, obviously. And we haven't been driving it and having nothing but fun with it since. It's all a good time, and this is all about having a good time. And
was that, let me ask you, was that tail fin original? Or
the tail fin is not original. That got put on in 1974.
Wow.
That got put on in 74, and along with a few others, the vinyl tops, the original vinyl top on the car, and that's what it is. That says a lot for garage kept.
Right, sure.
Garage kept all the time, and
sure. Have you done any restoration to it, or was it
restoration? It got painted in about 1994, and this is the paint from '94.
Right.
I changed put the red line tires on the car, and
let's see what we got. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice, and it complements that green, doesn't it?
yes, it does. It looks really good. I'm glad I did that. It makes it really look nice.
Right
And
choice, right.
the engine was rebuilt about 4 years ago and spiffed up just a little bit.
There you go. Looking at that interior.
The interior is somewhat original. A few changes have been made over the years, but
Sure.
original seats. And
How many? Did you say how many miles on the car?
117,000 miles on the
wow,
car.
So you enjoy it.
Just turned 117 last Sunday.
There you go. Cool. How's the car to drive?
Fun. Drives real nice. Put it on the highway and it just goes like a charm.
It's meant to run. It's meant to run.
Yes, it is.
Like looking at these headlights and just the stance of the front. You know that mouth.
Mhm.
Look, that is sweet. And what is the? You have a frog in the front. What is that for?
That just is a frog that it's green and yellow, and it kind of looks good sitting there, and it's been sitting there for about 10 years or better.
Going for the ride.
Yes,
Right?
going long for the ride.
There you go. Can we take a look at the engine?
Yes, we can. It was rebuilt. It's been spiffed up a little bit over the years, and nothing fancy. I want to be able to drive the car and have a good time with it and not have to go to every gas station, so
There you go. There you go.
keep it original. It's a 350 4-barrel.
That is sweet. That is sweet. And then the let's see what else. And do you go to car shows to win awards, or just?
I go to car shows to have a good time.
There you go.
This is all about having a good time and not getting too serious about the whole thing.
Now, I noticed the driving on your shirt. What is that about?
I have no idea. It's a shirt that I picked up and I just grabbed it out of the closet this morning.
And it wasn't wrinkled, right?
And it wasn't wrinkled.
There you go. Cool. Have you been to this show before?
I haven't missed this show in 24 years probably.
Wow.
This is one of the better shows, and like I said, it's all about coming here and hanging with the friends and having a good time.
There you go. There you go. Are you planning to make any other future changes to the car?
Nothing serious. I like keeping it somewhat original, and nothing. This interior may get spiffed up a little bit. As the seats kind of been more out after the 48 years of driving the car. And
Sure. Let's take a peek at the back.
Now, it's not too late. We still have event shirts left.
So
Not too late. Got them in most of the popular sizes. And the artist that has designed the shirts is here.
I actually ordered it with dual exhaust.
Oh, did you?
I ordered the car with dual because it looked cool.
Oh, so you ordered the car?
I ordered the car
Just bought it off
back
the
in
lot?
70. Did not buy it off the lot. Ordered it with what I wanted on it, and
That is nice. That is nice. What a cool story.
the Playboy bunny's been in the back window since probably 40 some years, I'm sure.
So we have.
Because that's what you did back then. That's what you did, and I like keeping it nostalgic.
So now it transcends to.
Hooters.
There you go. I got it. I speak the same language.
Okay. Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure.
Breaking news. Watch the next video. Don't forget to share and like. Here with our lead and Paulette.